Alright, hi YouTube, it's Bianca. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching. Um, for this video, I just wanted to come to you guys and show you some new products that I got and show you some of the ones that I've already had by this line. As you guys can see, it's Creme in Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco. It's their new Argan Oil line they released. I believe it was like 6 products around July of 2010, and they just expanded their line with technically 4 brand new products, but one of the older products they brought it out in a larger size bottle to make it more of to make it better for their customers who was using a lot of the particular product I'm talking about is the intensive conditioning treatment, which is right here. I don't want to touch it because it's popped up on the Gloss and Shine Polisher, but I'll get closer to it so you guys can see. So yeah, and that particular product I have used one time already, and I don't know what's going on with my hair, so I can't really say that I had a bad experience, because when I was done with using all 3 of the products I first purchased or whatever, my hair felt really soft and moisturized. So that's all I will say about this particular product since I've only used it once. The Gloss and Shine Polisher right here, and don't follow my thumb pointing at that where my pointer finger is pointing. I love it. It's really lightweight and it's just a great product. It doesn't weigh your hair down or anything like that. It gives you a really good shine and leaves your hair feeling soft. Also, this is the other product that I previously purchased, and it's their foamy wrap lotion, and I like it a lot. These 2 right here in my regimen, they go like hand in hand. The Gloss and Shine Polisher and the foamy wrap lotion, I use them together like every wash day. I've tried to use the Gloss and Shine Polisher with other foam wraps, and it just doesn't, I don't get the same results that I do with those 2 products, which is just really soft, manageable, moisturized, and silky, shiny hair. So, with that being said, I was like, I know I love those 2 products. So when I found out that they were coming out with some more products, I just like had to try it, and those 3 products were my first products I had ever tried in the Creme in Nature line, period. I had never used Creme in Nature products before, so Creme in Nature, you guys did a really good job with the foaming wrap lotion and the Gloss and Shine Polisher. Like I said, I can't really speak too much on the intensive conditioning treatment because I want to give it another try before I really give it a full review or whatever. So this is their new Moisture and Shine shampoo, and I'll actually bring it closer so you guys can see it. But it says it hydrates and detangles, and it's sulfate free. And the cool thing I thought about that shampoo that was really cool is that they said it was them bringing, this shampoo is bringing back their original sulfate-free shampoo, just enriched with argan oil. So I know when I decided to start my healthy hair care journey, I noticed that a lot of people, like, it was a big buzz about, like, a lot of people being upset that they discontinued the shampoo, but I didn't know what it was all about until I started to find out about sulfate-free shampoos and realized it was like, I think I ran across like a blog or something where someone was saying like it was the only sulfate-free shampoo out at the time, but now you can find so many, like almost every hairline offers a sulfate-free shampoo. So for those of you guys who really was upset when they discontinued their old sulfate-free shampoo, basically this is the same thing, just enhanced with argan oil. So you may want to give that a try, or if you've just been looking for a moisturizing sulfate-free shampoo, it would also be good to try. So I haven't tried any of the new products. I plan to, on my wash day coming up this weekend, I'll be using all of the products, and I'll be back with a first impression review, and then I plan to use all of them during the during the month of May 2011. So I'll come back and maybe do a 2-week review, or just do a full month review. So after I've used it for the whole month of May, probably around like the first week of June, I'll come back and do a full review, just so I can say I used it enough times to really give a really good review. The next product I got is their Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner, and that says right there that it's a dual action to shake to activate for strength and shine. And I guess you guys probably can tell how it's separated. This up here looks like creamy and kind of cloudy and milky, and that's the protein, the strengthening protein complex up here. And then down here is the argan oil shine, and that's why you have to shake it up for those to mix. So I'm really eager to see how that works out for my hair. It does contain hydrolyzed keratin, which is protein, as well as hydrolyzed two different types of hydrolyzed wheat protein. So just be mindful of that. It does contain protein, but the shampoo does not. And then next thing I got is their Oil Moisturizer, and it says it restores moisture, it's a heat protectant, and it adds shine. It does contain mineral oil and petroleum as the first and second ingredient. So if you guys don't like mineral oil or petroleum in your products, then that particular product is not for you. But the shampoo and the leave-in does not contain mineral oil or petroleum. The last product that I got by this product line, which is also one of their newest products, is the oil treatment. And I got that specifically to see what the difference was between these two, the oil treatment and the Gloss and Shine Polisher, which I already had, to see if it was any point in me continuing to buy each one of those, or if one would just serve the purpose of the two now. There, and I also want, like I said, want to see if it was a difference. There is a big difference. This right here, the oil treatment, it does contain dyes or whatever. When I mean dyes, I mean like color. It's like a yellowish color. This one, as you can see, the Gloss and Shine Polisher is clear. They pretty much smell the same. I actually feel like this smells a little bit, just a tad bit stronger, and more like the foam wrap in scent wise. But for the most part, the line pretty much smells the exact same. Also, this is like really, really like an oil. If you think that the Gloss and Shine Polisher is like really thin, which I felt this is like truly a